Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the reader now. Insert the SD card into the adapter or reader and plug it into your Mac. Once done, open Finder and look for the card under Locations because seeing it confirms a physical connection. If it doesn't appear, check System Settings Privacy and Security for storage permissions and make sure Mac OS has no pending updates. Newer firmware fixes reader compatibility. You want the device recognized before moving to file transfer and formatting tasks. With the card visible in Finder, you copy or move files by dragging to your desired folder. This is simple yet effective because it preserves file structure. Once transfers begin, watch the progress bar and avoid ejecting the reader. Interrupting writes causes corruption. If you need selective import, use image capture or photos. Those tools handle metadata and duplicates better. Make sure to check free space on the card and your Mac. When large transfers finish, verify a few files open correctly before ejecting. To finish, always eject the card using Finder's eject button or disk utility. This ensures buffered writes complete and prevents corruption. If you want to reformat, open disk utility. Choose the card, pick XFAT for Windows compatibility or apps/HFS Plus for Mac only, then erase. This rebuilds the partition table. If the card isn't recognized or files are missing, try a different reader or cable and run disk utility first aid. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves driver hit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.